So once again, buddies, welcome back to my live session, and I hope you are doing good and great on this Sunday, and I hope you have all set for your next week analysis and next week trades, right? So, but yeah, so thoda sa it will be like a mix of this Telugu and English because there are a lot of people who are watching from the Telugu states as well. So for them, I will try to speak in Telugu and simultaneously I would like to speak in in English as well because I don't know Hindi much. Okay, so I hope everyone is doing great and. భయ్యా లాస్ట్ టైం కూడా మనం డిస్కస్ చేసాము సో ద అనాలిసిస్ ఆఫ్ ద నిఫ్టీ అండ్ so today we are going to continue regarding the analysis that which we have done in the last 2 weeks and also and apart from that we are also discussing about the few sectors as well that which we have discussed already in the last time and bhaiya so okay uh, so bhaiya I would like to ask you that before going into this analysis because it's not my ask, it's my request that if you feel at any point of time that the content that which I am providing or the live that I'm which I'm doing, if you feel that it's it worth you, or if you feel that you are getting some good content from our channel, so I would like you to ask a like and share and as well as subscribe because it will help our channel to reach as much as many people who are in the Telugu states and as well as in and around the India. So apart from this, yes, so భయ్యా ఇంకా వెళ్ళిపోదాం మనము. So just give me a moment. Let's right. So I hope my screen is visible actually. భయ్యా సో భయ్యా ఈ లోపల మీకు ఏదైనా కామెంట్ చేయాలని అనిపిస్తే ఆర్ ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు లెర్న్ ఎనీథింగ్ ఆర్ ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు నో ఫ్రమ్ ఎనీథింగ్ రిగార్డింగ్ ది స్టాక్ మార్కెట్, so you can just drop a message in the chat so that I could able to see and I could able to respond or tell you regarding that. If I know, I will just try to tell, or if not else, then I will try to tell that it's not possible by now. Okay, so I will be authentic with myself and as well as with you, buddy, so don't worry about that. So yeah, so last week మనము నిఫ్టీ 50 అనాలిసిస్ చేస్తున్నాం కదా భయ్యా. So I hope my screen is visible and yeah, so on the other hand also I'm watching from my mobile so that I could able to see that what are the chats that are coming in. So yeah, buddy, yeah, last time we have discussed that this is the scenario that where we have been discussing, right? So this is the thing that which I had already discussed at the last time. So bhaiya, in this we have already got into some stringent what would I say, that exact reversal. But see, if you go by this, like last time, I will go by on daily time frame. So last time when we are discussing, this is the candle that we have been discussing, and after that, see, 1 2 3 4 5 trading days. See, I told you that okay, there might be a chance of reversal and it will definitely try to take the support of this 20-day moving average, and hence now you can see the result of it, right? So yeah, of course, sometimes the trading, it's working for me. Yeah, if it's working for me, if it is working for my mentor, the analysis that which we have learned from our mentors, so it will work for you as well. So don't worry about that. And yeah, it actually worked, and sorry for that. Okay, and as I told you, buddy, so there might be a chance of trend reversal, uh, or there might be chance of some candle that which might form in a red or green or some doji candle. So finally it has formed some red. Okay, so still I guess the nifty is giving some sort of things that it will still form, it can still form some doji candle, and this week that I'm predicting as this. Okay, so why I'm predicting this as a doji candle is that, see, I would like to tell, and I'm not telling that it can definitely happen, because the market is not in my hand, by the way. Okay. So why I'm trying to predict is that, see buddy, if you see here, as I told you, like market can't go in one shot in a downtrend like this. So there might be a chance of some indecisive candle like this it can form, and there might be some like this it can form like this way, or it can form even a big candle like let's say for example, if now recently the war has been stopped, okay, our the ceasefire has been stopped from our India, uh, and after that, okay, again they had started some firing. So again if it fires back, and again if our Indian army again started, or the defense sector, if again if they started the fights, then we can expect a good big red candle, so that the market will consolidate, so that the market will fall down. Else else it will fall like in a very slow movement in a down ways, and hence it will form 3 to 4 candles, so that it will take support of this 20-day moving average, and hence it can go up after this like this. But anyway, once if it reaches to this, as in the last couple of weeks that I've been discussing you with regarding this, is once it reaches to this zone, again it will definitely come back, and then you have to be cautious. Then if there is any good zone that it has formed upward bhaiya, then you can take a position. And if there any green candle, like after it hitting here and it came down, and after that a good green candle if we see in all the market scenarios, then after that forming some doji candles in this zone, like some 2 to 3, or at least 3 to 4 candles if it forms, and then then we can expect that some big candle or a bull run has been started. Because until and unless if it reaches to this zone and it touches and come back, till then we can't say that this zone has become weak. So hence I'm telling you that this, again I'm telling you, for the next couple of weeks we can't able to guess that what market will uh, help us understand, because we have to be cautious. And in this actually this kind of market, if we go by the things, like I don't in the previous video also I told you that I don't suggest you not to take at least not to take more than 5% profit. You know, 5% profit is much more than much more easy, much more in this kind of toughest market, because we have to stay on this market at any cost. We have to stay strong in this market. And then if I would like to say that in this bull run, if you go by this bull run, wherever you keep money, wherever at any point of time, if you keep the money in whatever, irrespective of the sector, irrespective of the stock, whatever it may be, you almost you get this profit. But when it comes to this kind of this kind, see, in this is a like an euphoria market, and then market has been settling in this downtrend, and then now it is in the consolidation phase, and then it will go up. So we can't say that exactly at this point of time the market will strike up and it will have the bull run. So I am requesting you to do this at any point of time. Be cautious, be cautious on whatever the trade that you have been taking, and be cautious and maintain some very strict stop loss. Once the market hits the stop loss, forget your money, and just forget the loss and just come out of the trade. So that's what my suggestion is. It's not a recommendation to take fresh trades, because this is the market that where we have to understand that how market is behaving, and with respect to the market behaving, the sectors how they are behaving, and how this particular stocks, either it might be large cap or mid cap or the small cap stocks, how they are behaving with respect to this market scenario. We have to understand. Without understanding this kind of market, we are nowhere in the trading else, because this is the toughest thing that which we have to crack for ourselves, so that we will stay in the market for a longer period of time, guys. So I hope I made some good sense to you. And I'm expecting, as I told you, I'm expecting a little bit green candle, not more than a little bit. No, sorry, it's not a green candle, it's a bit of this some red candle or like some dozy candle, because it has already came to this zone and it is reacting back. So there might be chance of getting some red candle or some like a dozy candle. So let us see what will happen in the next week, right? And yeah, we can go to the sector analysis now. So last time also we have discussed regarding the nifty pharma, right? Yeah, so let us go for the nifty pharma, that how it has been behaving. Yeah. Huh. So as last time again I discussed with you, see, this is the zone here when it comes to this market buyer. సో నేను లాస్ట్ టైం కూడా చెప్పాను ఏంటంటే, ఇక్కడ ఈ డిమాండ్ జోన్ దగ్గర ఆల్రెడీ ఇట్ ఈస్ బీన్ టెస్టింగ్ హియర్. సో ద మార్కెట్ వన్స్ ఇట్ ఈస్ కమింగ్ హియర్, it can definitely go, it it might form a reversal, because here the green candle is far away, and these candles, like, these are like a very weak candles. Of course still they breached, but because of no strength they came down. Now the market has been reversed. So this is what the exact we have been discussing in my previous videos. And if you want to go and check, then buy, వెళ్ళొచ్చు మీరు. నా ప్రీవియస్ వీడియోస్ కూడా ఒకసారి మీరు చెక్ చేస్తే దెన్ యూ కెన్ గెట్ టు నో వాట్ ద అనాలిసిస్ దట్ ఐ హ్యావ్ టోల్డ్ యూ, అండ్ ద ప్రెజెంట్ అనాలిసిస్ దట్ ఐఎమ్ టెలింగ్ యూ. సో ఐ ఎక్స్పెక్టెడ్ దిస్ యాక్చువల్లీ. సో భయ్యా ఇది పెద్ద విశేషం ఏమి కాదు. సో నౌ యా, so when it comes to this, now let us assume that there might be a chance of like forming some kind of candle like this. Maybe because nifty is also there is a high chance that it will form in a red candle. So the market might behave like this, and then there can be a chance of like forming another small candle like this, and then maybe after few couple of weeks it can form here a big candle, and then it will breach here, and the same scenario repeats. It will come down, and then from here the market rises, and then the bull run started in this nifty pharma. So guys, the same scenario what we have seen in the nifty 50, it can also be applied to this nifty pharma as well. సో భయ్యా అయితే మీకు అర్థమైందని అనుకుంటున్నాను. సో ఏదైనా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే, ఏదైనా ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు నో ఎనీథింగ్ భయ్యా, you can just drop a message in the chat box so that I'm able to see it, and I would able to give the reply to you. So right, and this is a thing that I'm just trying to say. And now yeah, so now we have also seen in the last week with the nifty fmcg భయ్యా. సో ఎఫ్ఎంసీజీ కూడా ఒక్కసారి చూసేద్దాం మనం. సో అసలు ఇది ఏంటి, ఎలా ఉంది అనేది. సో భయ్యా okay, so yeah, same as it is, it has formed another a small red candle. Maybe there might be a formation of some green candle, maybe the possibility is there, but let us see what will happen in this next coming week. There might be a possibility of getting some green candle, which will help us actually, which will help us to understand what will happen in the next, because the next 2 to 3 weeks, especially in the nifty, especially in the nifty pharma and nifty fmcg, those are much more important. And uh, it's like anything. So when it comes to nifty fmcg also, it looks okayish for me, but it has to, but the trading has to be cautious at any cost. Okay, and let us take what let us last time we have seen the nifty auto also, right? So let us go for the nifty auto as well. చూద్దాం భయ్యా ఎలా ఉంటుందో. సో భయ్యా ద సేమ్ సినారియో లైక్ వాట్ ఐ హ్యావ్ డిస్కస్ ఇన్ దిస్. చూడండి భయ్యా, ఇక్కడ నిఫ్టీ ఫార్మాలోని దెర్ ఈస్ ఎ బిగ్ గ్రీన్ క్యాండిల్ దట్ హ్యాస్ మేడ్. ఓకే, మనము ఖచ్చితంగా దాన్ని అప్రిషియేట్ చేయాలి. దాని తర్వాత 3 క్యాండిల్స్ with a very weak candles, it has came and entered into the supply zone. సో ఇప్పుడు సేమ్ సినారియో భయ్యా మనం చూస్తే, ఆల్మోస్ట్ ఇక్కడ చూడండి, ఇక్కడ ఒక మంచి గ్రీన్ క్యాండిల్ చేసింది. అట్ ద సేమ్ టైమ్ 4 క్యాండిల్స్, 4 స్మాల్ క్యాండిల్స్, గ్రీన్ క్యాండిల్స్ చేసినాయి. అండ్ ఇట్ హ్యాస్ ఆల్రెడీ టచ్డ్ దిస్ అండ్ బ్రీచ్డ్, ట్రై టు బ్రీచ్. బట్ I think this week there might be a formation of some some red candle భయ్యా. సో వీ హ్యావ్ టు బి కాషియస్ భయ్యా. అదైతే మనం ఖచ్చితంగా ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేయొచ్చు. there is a high probability that the market will come. And when you are investing into this auto sector భయ్యా, so try to observe the stocks. Now this is the very good point. like నేను చెప్తాను భయ్యా, చూడండి. సో ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ మార్కెట్ ఎలా ఉంది కదా. సో let us take మార్కెట్ ఒక్క నిమిషం భయ్యా. సో let us take market has came down with some red candle like this. సో ఇక్కడ రెడ్ క్యాండిల్ వచ్చింది కదా భయ్యా. సో ఈ FMCG సెక్టర్, ఈ ఆటో సెక్టర్లో దేర్ మైట్ బి సమ్ స్టాక్స్ వేర్ యూ మైట్ బి ఫోర్కాస్టింగ్, రైట్. సో ఈ ఫోర్కాస్టింగ్ చేసినప్పుడు ఏదైతే ఒక సపోర్ట్ జోన్కి వస్తుందో, అంటే రెసిస్టెన్స్ జోన్ నుంచి వెళ్ళి ఏదైతే స్టాక్స్ సపోర్ట్ జోన్కి వచ్చినవి ఉంటాయో, సో ఆ సపోర్ట్ జోన్కి వచ్చిన స్టాక్స్ని మీరు అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి. వన్స్ ద మార్కెట్ పడిన తర్వాత, ఇక్కడ మార్కెట్ పడిన తర్వాత మీరు ఏం భయపడాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. మార్కెట్ పడుతుంది. మార్కెట్ పడిన తర్వాత ఇట్ హ్యాస్ టు సెటిల్ అట్ ఎనీ కాస్ట్ ఆఫ్ టైం. అండ్ ఈ సెటిల్మెంట్ అయ్యే టైంకి మీరు ఒక మంచి సపోర్ట్ జోన్ దగ్గర ఒక టెస్ట్ చేయలేని, అంటే ఎప్పుడు రీట్రేస్ అవ్వలేని కానీ ఎప్పుడు టెస్ట్ చేయలేని ఒక సపోర్ట్ జోన్ దగ్గర ఏదైనా ఒక ఆటో స్టాక్ ఉంటే దాన్ని మీరు పిక్ చేసుకొని, సో యూ కెన్ స్టార్ట్ ఇన్వెస్టింగ్ ఎ స్మాల్ క్వాంటిటీ ఇన్ దట్ అండ్ సీ హౌ ద మార్కెట్ reacting and how the stock is reacting when it comes to the comparison with this nifty auto sector. So this is much more important, and this is a very good point actually. So bhaiya, it will help you a lot. And just try to focus on whatever the stock that you are seeing in the nifty auto. And once you can just try with some like 1 quantity or 2 quantity, whatever it may be, you can just try and just see if the market fell down like this, like a small green candle, and then there might be a chance of some stocks in the nifty auto sector who will get to this what I would like to say, some good fresh support zone. So then you can enter into the stock. You don't need to worry about that. And that is a good time for a stock to enter, and hence you can earn like 4 to 5% profit easily within a few couple of weeks. And yeah, when it comes to like last time also we have discussed about this nifty IT కూడా చూసాం భయ్య ఒకసారి. సో నిఫ్టీ ఐటీ కూడా ఒక్కసారి మనం మళ్ళీ చూద్దాము. ఏంటంటే భయ్య చూడండి భయ్య. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ లైక్ ఏ మనం లాస్ట్ టైం నిఫ్టీ ఇట్స్ లైక్ ఎన్ లెవెల్ ఓవర్ ద లెవెల్, అంటే డ్రాప్ బేస్ డ్రాప్, again మళ్ళీ డ్రాప్ బేస్ డ్రాప్. సో దిస్ we can consider as a complete or the level, and this is the very big what I would like to say, that it's just a very big supply zone and the market has entered here. So we have to be cautious again when it comes to the nifty IT stocks. We have to be cautious at any cost, and just try to observe. That's it. That what I want to say is that, okay, now see, let's take there might be chance. See, ఇక్కడ చూడండి భయ్యా, ఇక్కడ సినారియో వేరేలా ఉంటుంది. ఎందుకంటే సో దేర్ మైట్ బి అ ఛాన్స్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ 20-day moving average, it can come like this, and for this there might be a chance of forming some dozy candle which will touch this 20-day moving average, and again then very next candles, the very next 2 to 3 candles, in next 2 to 3 candles there might be a formation of one good red candle. So it will come out of the zone, and then there might be some consolidation for a few couple of weeks, and then it will form a good green candle which will help us to breach out this zone, and it will go up. So for this I'm expecting at least like this, at least this zone, at least this gap, it will take to this nifty IT to settle. So that's what I can see when it comes to the nifty IT. అండ్ భయ్యా నెక్స్ట్ మనం ఏమి చూసామంటే నిఫ్టీ ఎనర్జీ కూడా చూసాం భయ్యా. సో నిఫ్టీ ఎనర్జీ కూడా ఒక్కసారి అది కూడా చూసేద్దాం ఫైనల్గానే. సారీ భయ్యా. సో భయ్యా ఇక్కడ చూడండి భయ్యా, మనం క్లియర్గా ఇక్కడ కూడా చూస్తున్నాము. దిస్ ఇస్ అ సప్లై జోన్, రైట్? భయ్యా చూడండి, ఇక్కడ ఇది కూడా ఒక మంచి సప్లై జోన్. ఈ సప్లై జోన్ దగ్గర ఆల్మోస్ట్ ఇక్కడ వచ్చింది, టచ్ అయింది. మేబీ దిస్ సప్లై జోన్ is powerful, so that is the reason we could not able to breach this zone, and then hence it came back. So again in this also same, we are expecting almost all the sectors that which we are analyzing, it's almost equal 80%, 80 to 85% of all the sectors that are equal when it comes to the scenario of the Nifty 50 chart. So Bhaiya, this clearly indicates that we have to be cautious. Once again, I'm urging you, I'm requesting you to please watch this market, because this is a beautiful phase that which we will get after again a few years, again a few couple of months, few couple of quarters. So this phase has to be passed and it has to be analyzed by ourselves, so that it will help us to go whatever we want to do. And so that is the reason why భయ్యా in this భయ్యా నేను 5% అని చెప్పాను. ఓకే, యూ కెన్ గో విత్ 3% యాజ్ వెల్. భయ్యా ఒక్క ట్రేడ్లో మనం 3% తీసుకున్నాం. లెట్స్ టేక్, వీ హ్యావ్ టేకెన్ 5 స్వింగ్ ట్రేడ్స్ ఆర్ లైక్ 5 షార్ట్ టర్మ్ ట్రేడ్స్ ఇన్ దిస్ పర్టికులర్ మంత్, అండ్ 3% చాలు భయ్యా. లెట్స్ సే మనకి 10,000 ఉంది, ఒక 300 రూపీస్ ప్రాఫిట్ వచ్చినా చాలు. అండ్ 5 ట్రేడ్స్ తీసుకోండి భయ్యా. 5 ట్రేడ్స్ 300 into 5, 1500. So that means you have almost gained 15% profit in 1 month. So it's also a very good profit bhaiya. So that's why I'm telling you, just take only 3%. How much you take and how quick you come out of this bullshit market by making some good profits, some enough profits. That's enough to because why I'm telling you this is because you have to maintain at strict stop losses at this point of time. And what my mentor told and what my mentor suggested is that instead of wiping away all your money in this particular bearish phase of the market, try to protect your capital as much as you can. So that's what that's what the mistake that I have done, and I'm rectifying myself in order to not to waste or wipe out all the money that which I have been spending, which I have been investing in this market. Because uh, who protects their capital in this kind of market is the king of the stock market. So that's what that I believe in, because నీ క్యాపిటల్ నువ్వు ప్రొటెక్ట్ చేసుకోలేకపోతే భయ్యా ఈ టైమ్ ఆఫ్ మార్కెట్లోని, so then you will be nowhere in the market, and you will blame the market, and you will tell that the market is a gambling, and it will not happen, by the way. So this is completely a computer era, so where everything has been digitalized and it has been transparent for us. So there will be no such potential frauds will be happening, or the gambling that will be happening in the stock markets. So I urge you, okay, now this is all about, I urge you to be cautious, to be mindful while trading, and that's all that I want to tell you, buddy. And this is all about the trading, and if you are having any doubts, then I'm free and I'm open to answer it. And that's all about the analysis that which I have been discussing with you bhaiya. So నీ సైడ్ నుంచి ఏదైనా ఉంటే you can ask me, or you can tell me like if you want me to observe any stocks, any particular stocks, any what is happening in that. I'm ready to uh, tell you that things. సో భయ్యా, ఇవాళ నేను టిప్ ఇస్తున్నాను, లేదంటే ఒక సజెషన్ ఇస్తాను అని చెప్పకుండా సజెషన్ ఇస్తాను భయ్యా. సో ద థింగ్ ఈజ్ stay in the market, try to protect your capital as much as you can in this bearish phase or in this uncertainty phase of the market, which will help you to make your money in the bull run. So that's what I want to say. And yeah, I could not see able to see very much comments, okay, much chat, but it's okay. And if you feel that the content that which I'm sharing in this channel, once again I'm just urging you to please like, share and subscribe our channel so that it will reach to as much people as they can, and it will help my channel to grow as faster as I can. So I want to reach to all the peoples like you, and to make a better career for them along with me in this journey that I'm walking through along with my mentor. So that's all that I want to tell. And anyway, భయ్యా మళ్ళీ నెక్స్ట్ వీక్లో నెక్స్ట్ అనాలిసిస్లో మళ్ళీ కలుద్దాం భయ్యా. సో ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ ఎనీథింగ్, again I'm urging you, or after this live also, if you want anything that you want to learn, if you want to know from me, so you can just drop a message on this chat box, so that I will definitely help you in that, if I could able to figure out this. Okay, so until then, again, once again, bye bye, happy Sunday buddy. So this is Ravindra signing off. Bye bye, bye bye, bye bye.